Hey guys, welcome back to another zpult unboxing. And for the longest time, this has been my unboxing knife here in this channel. Actually, it's a scissors. It's your national bookstore scissors. But now, we are gonna replace it with real unboxing knife. And this is the Opinel Sadie France, Savoy France actually. Stainless steel, made in France. And yeah, this is a legit knife. Look at that, guys. Outdoor, and of course at the other side you get some information. Lame blade, 7 centimeter, viral block, double safety turning ring. It has a lock, of course. Pocket knife for outdoor activities, hiking, picnics, camping. Varnished wooden handle, stainless steel blade. So yes, this is gonna be our unboxing knife from now on. Actually, it looks pretty cool. So of course, the irony, we're gonna unbox our unboxing knife with our old unboxing scissors or unboxing knife. There you go. So maybe I need still some scissors here in the channel, because how can I unbox this kind of boxes in the future? Yeah, this is not a good unboxing experience. There's really no box to unbox. But let's take a look at what you can. I can already smell the wood, guys. Wow, this is really a woody kind of smell. I can definitely feel it and smell it also. So it says Opinel Savoy France, and you get that wooden, glorious wooden texture. Of course, yeah, it's a bare wood as well. Of course, Opinel, and yeah, I can definitely smell the wood from afar. So let me smell. There you go. Yeah, that varnish is definitely very, very smelly. Really smells good. So of course, inside you get this kind of lock, which is supposed to be, there you go. Yeah, that's indeed a lock, so you cannot get the knife out, which is cool. So you can see, guys, that is our lock. And of course, I'm getting the knife out now, and then we're actually gonna try out this one. There you go. It may be a box. I'm gonna try it on a box. There you go. And of course, when you pull it out, that is the most that you can pull out. I think so. I don't want to force it. I am not really good at handling knives, There you go. Okay. There you go. So you can lock it also. That is a pretty solid knife. Actually, it weighs very, very light. So definitely in your pocket, you won't feel this actually. So the wood is very light overall. And actually nice that you can, of course, hide your knife, especially when you're at home. And look at the blade, guys. It's a kind of a thin blade overall. And it says OpenX Inox. And of course, you have that kind of ridge right there, so you can pull it out and put it back in. So, and actually pretty big blade also. So you can see, guys, in terms of the blade, it's a pretty big blade overall. So of course, we're gonna try it out. We're gonna test if it does cut some boxes for us. I have a box here, so maybe I'm gonna try one out with our trusty box. There you go. So I haven't unboxed this one. So of course, we need to try out a real unboxing experience with an unboxing knife. So this is actually the WG Tone Tesla 8-core wire silver. This is a TWS, or is it? It's a wired cable actually. It's a wired IEM. Look at that. It's a U-shaped kind of sound. Oh, okay, yeah. We're gonna review that in the future, but let's try out first the unboxing experience, guys. Ooh, yeah. Actually, that feels really good. That feels a lot better compared to my scissors. Ooh, that feels really, really good. Yeah, that really cuts. It's a very sharp knife also. Look at that cut. That is a pretty good cut overall. So that is our unboxing scissors, guys. Is this the Opinel Savoy France stainless steel knife. Really, really cool outdoor knife. Do you know about knives, guys? Let me know down in the comments below if you can suggest a cool knife for me to check out. But this one is really cool already. I'm not really a knife guy, but this one is really cool. And of course, if you tuck it in, very, very small. Yeah, that is our look in the Opinel. Really, really cool. I'd say this is around the 650 pesos or around $10. So not really expensive, you know, for an unboxing knife. If you want to get an unboxing knife, maybe this is something that you can consider. Of course, that is our look for today. If you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. We review stuff from Lazada, AliExpress, also Shopee, and also budget stuff. We uncover the budget area of life and things, and yeah, everything under the sun that I'd like to do. I do it here in this channel, so if you're into that, consider subscribing. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.